Welcome to Canada! It's a beautiful day for vlogging. This is from my family's balcony. They have an apartment here in the city, in North Vancouver. Take you with me on a little tour. This is pretty through here. A lot of churches too. Showing these pictures to people from all over the world. My main following is the United States. This is our favorite bakery in North Vancouver. It's everybody's favorite bakery. I'm gonna go inside and get some baked goods for later. This is an amazing bakery. They have everything you could ever want here. Oh my gosh, just look at that. Everything here is just amazing. We are getting potato pie. What else are we getting besides potato pie? Oh, and frittata to go for later. For iftar. Just look at these amazing bakery. Look at those meringues, they're humongous. Last time I was here, I got one of those. It was so delicious. For such a big city, it actually has a lot of areas that are very quiet. As you can see, we just left the bakery. We're in downtown and I don't see a single car. Hardly any people. And it's beautiful out. It's a beautiful day. Canadians are very into saving the environment and the globe, so they're very energy efficient and they have amazing resources here. So this is the garden in downtown Vancouver that we're going to help out at today.
And also, we have some.
This is the garden plot. It's already growing some nice vegetables. Beautiful garden in the center of Vancouver. We're in a beautiful garden in Vancouver, downtown Vancouver. It's a community garden where everyone is helping each other grow fresh, natural, organic foods and flowers. Everybody's gonna get at 'em. Today was a beautiful sunny day. I was at work most of the day. My job position ended, but I was offered a different position. So I accepted it. I did the interview. I'm just waiting for the final, I guess, recognition or whatever they call it when they give you your new contract and things like that. So I'm waiting on that. Should be happening this Friday. And right now I am at home in my backyard and just enjoying the last of the sun before it goes down tonight. And I really enjoy talking to all of you. I enjoy reading the comments. I enjoy learning along with you. And I really enjoy being able to post these things and help people and become friends with people, and I'm really looking forward to continuing, and hopefully my video and my audio will improve. Hopefully it's not too bad for all of you. Anyway, salam. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe.